Yeah.
I definitely have this itch to just get better now.
Oh yeah?
Bike. Yeah.
Also, it's a KTM dealer, so I could get parts there. So.
Yeah.
But it doesn't always happen here. It happens different places.
Oh, that was wrapped. I was wondering what the hell was going on with that. Huh? No. No. Back at the crib, the major reason that I went last night to that bike night, which was actually pretty chill, by the way. Shout out to Moto Social. I went over there to meet up with Ryan. I remember Ryan was saying that he thought the bike was stellar. He just would change brakes and tires.
Yeah.
I would put tires on it and brakes on it.
Okay.
And because I'm not fast enough to use race tires yet, we did the brakes. So I have the street pads, the EPFA centers. I have those on this R1. I really like the initial grab and bite that these brakes have. But these right here, given that model number, the GP FAX, those are the Double H full race pads, closed circuit use only. We're about to race pad it up. The one finger or really light pull and the stress factor of braking goes away because you only have to put in a light use of brakes and the bike slows down. That's the theory that we're thinking of going with this. The Brimbos are great, the brake system's great, the master cylinder's great, but the pads, we're gonna go ahead and pull these out. We're perfectly ready to rock, so I'm gonna pull that off, slap those pads in, and put it back together. Huh?
Let it roll some, or
No, just keep open.
it's pretty tight.
Does it feel like it regularly felt?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I don't got a fucking.
So cool. As you can see, just the heat that's created on the brake rotor from the pads themselves. The pads look stellar. I mean, it's only 2,500 miles on them, but you can see the heat on them. You could also see the dark marks there. That dissipates the heat a little bit, but right here, the heat can't go anywhere. This is only 3 track days on this bike total, and one was a failed mission where I didn't even touch the brakes the whole goddamn time. So that's a completed task. We'll go out and see how it feels a little later, but not right now. What time is it? 2 o'clock. We can go to the gym. All right, we'll ride this later. We going to the gym, so we gonna get y'all too. We out.